Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the June 2024 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I always love getting this box in the mail. It's always full of beautiful, high quality beads and findings. In case you're not familiar, Potomac Beads, they have two different subscription boxes. They have the Treasure Edition, which is the one that I've got here, and they also have the Kit Edition. I believe in the Kit Edition you get 3 different projects each month with everything included that you need to make whatever the projects are. But in the Treasure Edition you get 10 to 20 packs of curated beads and jewelry making supplies with a minimum retail value of $75. The price of the box varies according to how long you sign up for. If you pay for it monthly, it's $39.99 a month. If you pay for it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month. It breaks down to $34.99 a month, which saves you $60 a year. And if you pay for the whole year at once, it breaks down to $29.99 a month, which saves you $120 a year. They have an amazing YouTube channel, and they usually put out several videos after they release a box using the beads in the box to just give you some inspiration if you need it for things that you can do with the beads. And they have hundreds and hundreds of videos on their YouTube channel, so you can go on there and go in the search bar and type in whatever bead it is you're wanting to use or whatever type of beading you're wanting to do, and there will be a video for it because they just have an amazing YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, along with a link to the subscription page on their website where you can read about both subscriptions, and that's where you would sign up for it if it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to pop this open and see what our theme is this time and take a little peek, and then I'll organize it all. It comes in this really neat box with it's a sturdy box, and it's got a magnet clasp, and I keep all of them and store things in them. It looks like the theme this month is Coastal Oasis, and there's a little peek at the beads in there. Oh, I see needles. Oh, I love needles. Can never have too many needles. Those are some pretty beads. So hold on, I'll organize everything and I'll be back. Okay, I think I've got everything sorted out here now, and I'm going to try not to knock anything off. There's just a whole lot here, though. I'm going to try to be careful. Like I said, the theme this month is Coastal Oasis. It says, this month's treasure box reminds us of the profound feeling of peace amidst the shoreline's clear blue water and light breezes. Peer into the soft interior glow of mermaid glass rounds, sparkling sapphire and emerald crystal, and the delicate detail of metal charms. With design possibilities as expansive as the ocean, create shimmering pieces to encapsulate the essence of your own coastal oasis. Whoever comes up with these little paragraphs is really talented. And then it's got their website here where you can get ideas. And then on the back it's got a list of everything that's in the box. So the first thing I have here are Check Glass Pear Drop Anchor Charms Crystal. And these are just really, really pretty and amazing. I have to get one out here so you can see it better. It's got the little anchor in there. And this part is, the back is smooth. And this part is not smooth. So this would be the front. There's where the hole is. In the top there. So you could put a pinch bell on there and use it as a pendant, or do some wire wrapping, and of course you could use it as earrings. There are, looks like there's 5 of them in here. Those are just really, really beautiful. Let's see if I can get them all up here in my hand. I doubt this is going to work. I probably will drop them, or at least one of them. Those are just beautiful. I've never seen anything like that with a little anchor etched in there. It's really, really pretty. And then next is Check Glass shell beads, aqua blue swirl. They're 9 millimeters. And those are really pretty. Another bead that's going to remind us of the ocean. That's what those are like. They're just beautiful. Definitely look like the water of the ocean, don't they? It's really, really pretty. And then next are check glass conch shell beads. And it says metallic. And there's little conch shells. Those are really nice. And the hole goes through like that. So I better just put them all on this pen before I drop them. If I get them on this pen, I won't drop them. Unless I drop the whole pen, which I'm very likely to do. Those are really pretty. Really cool. And then next, I'll get my little list up here where I can see it. Check glass drop beads. Transparent smoky. The bag says transparent smoky. 6 by 10 millimeter. And those are some really pretty drop beads. They're top drilled. Top drilled things don't frighten me as much as they used to. They still do a little bit though. But that's what those look like. It's really, really pretty. There's a lot of them in there too. And then next are check glass disc beads, transparent cobalt. And the hole in these is at the top, like that. Those are really pretty. That's a beautiful color of blue. And then next is check glass smooth rounds, 4 millimeters. And this was just the strand in the box. It didn't have a little baggie, so I don't know what the exact color is, but it's like a crystal color. Those are really pretty. Nice neutral to go with all these colored beads that we have here. And then next is check glass pressed rondelles. And this was just on the strand too, so I don't know what the color is on this either, but it's a really beautiful color of blue. To go with all the other blues and clears and crystals that we've got here. Those are really, really pretty. And then next are check glass pressed beads, purple / blue iris. And it says they're 10 millimeter. It's a really pretty, it looks like a rock you would see on the ocean, doesn't it? A stone that you would see on the ocean. I mean on the beach. Maybe on the floor of the ocean, I don't know. Those are really, really pretty. And then next, I'm running out of room to put this stuff here, is a pair of leverback ear wires. 18mm premium 99.9% silver plated brass. And those are just some really pretty little ear wires. They got that little shell on them there to go with our beach theme, our ocean theme. Those are just really, really pretty. And then next are these beading needles that I got so excited about. These are, there's 6 in here, and there's 2 size 10, 2 size 11, and 2 size 12. And I just can never have enough beading needles. I really go through the beading needles. These are Bead Tech beading needles. And then next are some starfish charms, silver starfish charms. Those are really nice. They're not double-sided, so there's 5 of them in there. 2 of them, that's the front, and that's what the back looks like. So it really goes well with our theme we've got going on here. And then next are some mermaid glass beads, and these are just really, really pretty. It's a nice long strand. It says Smoke Matte 6mm. These are just so pretty. I just love how they glow. It's really, really beautiful. Like I said, that's a nice long strand too. Quite a few beads there. They're really pretty. And then next are some Potomac crystal cushion beads, 12mm, and it says Color Shift BL, which I think is Color Shift Blue. So these are just really pretty cushion shaped beads that I'm almost certain are going to have to be bezeled and made into a pair of earrings. And that's just really pretty. You can see all the greens and blues in there. Of course, that's the back. It's got the little full backing. Those are just really, really pretty. I think we're going to have to bezel these and put them on those ear wires that I already showed. And then next are Potomac crystal bicones, 2mm. And the color is emerald. And these might have to go around the outside of our earrings after we bezel them. I don't know. These are beautiful, and I know I say it every time, but I just really love Potomac bicones. They're just so pretty and sparkly and so well made. They're so consistently sized. If I can get these tiny little 2mm beads on this thick eye pin that I've got here. I got one of them on there. That one's not what I want to go on there. I don't want to force it. Don't want to break it. There we go. There's a couple of them on there. Those are just beautiful. It's a beautiful shade of green. Tiny little 2mm bicones. And then next is Miyuki Ado seed beads. I was not going to take these out of a little bag, and then I decided I just had to. The color is Seafoam Lined Crystal. And those are just beautiful and go really well with all these other beads, and they might have to go around those earrings too. I don't know. We'll have to see. Those are really pretty. And then next is Check Glass Faceted Rounds, 4mm. There are two different colors of these. This is Turquoise Picasso Swirl. And those are really pretty. I know I keep saying really pretty, but they just are. All these beads are really pretty. Just beautiful. I love that finish. And then the other 4mm check glass faceted rounds are Jade is the color of these. And that's just a beautiful color of green. It's really, really beautiful beads. I'm trying not to say pretty all the time. Beautiful, beautiful beads. And then next are check glass wavy discs, turquoise. And these are really cool. These make a nice focal. They're kind of heavy. I don't know if you'd want to use them for earrings, but they make a nice focal for a necklace. It's really cool. Beautiful color of turquoise. And then next is some size 6 gray dragon thread. $5 meters. That's really nice. And then last are some crystal pickup pencils. And these are really cool to have when you're trying to pick up those teeny tiny little chatons to go in something like last month. We got those ear wires that I have not used yet that had the little setting that you could put the crystal in, and these are really helpful to pick up that little crystal and put them in there. It's hard to pick them up, especially with big old hands like mine. So these are really nice, really handy. And that's everything. So hold on, let me see if I can get it all together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything in the June 2024 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Coastal Oasis. These are some really beautiful high quality beads and findings as usual. I can't wait to see what I can make with these beads. Like I said, I might have to make that little pair of earrings I was talking about. Of course, that'll just be one of many things I'll do with it because there's a lot here to work with. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description box below to the page on their website where you can read about both of the subscriptions and subscribe if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.